We're giving away hundreds of dollars of RevZilla gift cards. Stay to the end of the video to figure out how to enter and win. Same person, side of the vehicle. It's at night, so poor visibility. A lot of problems with that. A lot of red lights. Orange stage.
Go.
Don't do that.
You know how to use the
Thank you, your name here. Thanks for educating riders and keeping people safe. Appreciate it.
No. No.
All right, you know what? This is all like the same. This is the same person, so we're just gonna include this all. So same person, having issues. Now we're at nighttime. Once again, we have all the red lights. Going to orange stage. Right there, we just saw side of the vehicle. How do you see sides of vehicles at night? In the front, you're gonna see, and I'm gonna try my best. In the front, you're gonna have the headlight. You know, it's shining like this. You know, so it's a white, it's a white or yellow, and then on the other side, you're gonna have the brake lights, and it's gonna shine a little bit, or the running lights. So all in all, what do I look for at night side of the vehicle? I look for the light and the light. Okay? If I see both of those, I know it's somebody doing this to me, side of the vehicle. If all I see is red, like up here, that means all I see is the back of the vehicle. That means we're in line. If I see the headlights shining at my face in the same lane, uncommon thing in a common situation. That means that person, I'm either in the wrong lane or they're in the wrong lane. So that is what I'm looking for. So I look for patterns. I don't look for the driver and where their eyes are looking. I don't look for certain things, okay? Like that. I don't look for those little itty bitty details. I don't look for the tire turn at night. I look for what is very obvious, and it's the lights. And here's the thing. If that's the case, then maybe we should have better lighting too, so that we get to be seen. Okay? How about that? The thing is, we got to watch out for these. We saw that happening. That's a path to travel violation. Roll off the throttle, apply the brakes, non-issue.
Go. You know how to use a stop sign, yeah? You know how to use a stop sign, yeah? No?
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 Doesn't matter. If you can ride around without gear, well, you're not a very smart rider. You need to acquire and utilize personal protective equipment, and here's your way of doing that. Click the link in the description to enter to win hundreds of dollars in RevZilla gift cards. We're doing this every single month, so if you don't win right now, you can possibly win next month, but if you sign up as a Tier 1 to Tier 4, you get my ebook for free too. Check it out. Link is in the description. Link is in the description. Click, 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 link in description.